Hi there, I'm Miss Dembeck. I am one of our science teachers here at Midview High School. Your child probably has me for possibly biology, which is generally a 10th grade course offered to sophomores. They might have me for human body systems, which is the second in the project Lead the Way Biomedical Sciences classes. They might have me for medical interventions, which is the third of the project Lead the Way Biomedical Sciences courses, or they may have me for CCP biology, which is our majors level introductory college course offered through LC. So if they have me for biology, biology is recommended for all sophomores in the state of Ohio. We'll focus on a lot of the Ohio State curriculum. By passing the Ohio State biology end of course exam, it's one of the ways that you can earn a seal for your high school graduation. So we do strictly follow the Ohio curriculum for that course. They will have a Google Classroom. The link is on the PowerPoint, and students will be able to access their textbook digitally. We do use the Miller and Levine biology book, but they will be able to access it through their Pearson Realize account, which most of them are probably already familiar with. For human body systems and medical interventions, those are the Project Lead the Way biomed classes. Human body systems is just what it sounds like. It's a general overview of how the body works. It's a little bit of anatomy and physiology, but really we focus mostly on how everything works together and what can go wrong in the body in the case of different types of disease. Medical interventions is the third biomed course, and this is actually probably the best class to be in for this current pandemic situation that we are in. We're going to learn about viruses and bacteria. We'll learn about antibody testing. We'll learn about antigen testing, vaccine development, kind of everything that's going on right now in the world, because medical interventions is all about diagnosing, treating, and preventing disease. And then finally, the college bio course, it's Biology 161, and in the spring semester, we offer Biology 162. These are majors level biology courses. So when you go to college, things are a little bit different than in high school. Typically, you only take a majors level science course if you were planning on majoring in a science field. If you're majoring in something like business or English or fashion or some other non-science field, you take a non-majors course, which is usually a little bit more broad, a little bit easier. But we offer the one for majors or for students who are going to major in biology because we can really hammer in on some of the details of how life works. Our first semester is kind of a general overview of microscopic to macroscopic, and then our second semester is an overview of all the different kingdoms of life. So we kind of start with viruses and work our way up to mammals and birds and reptiles. So if you have any questions at any point during the year, again, your students will be able to access most of their information through Google Classroom. The college biology course uses Canvas, which is LC's learning management system. Your student should be able to log into their own Canvas account and they should be able to find everything they need there. Um, all of our grades end up on PowerSchool. One thing to be aware of though, with the CCP biology course, the only thing that gets reported to Midview High School is their final semester grade for the entire semester. You will not see PowerSchool updates of individual grades along the way, but all of that is available to your student in their Canvas account. So if you have any questions this year, feel free to contact me. My email is jdembiec, and have a great school year.